My name is John Harms. I'm General Manager of the Great Jones County Fair.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about the grant that you applied for through Jones County Community Foundation?
Actually, we've been involved in about 3 of them. The first one had to do with development and expansion in our amphitheater, in our grandstand of the fairgrounds. The largest project that we had was this building we're in right here. It's the Youth Development Center for Monticello and Jones County, and it was something that was actually started about 10 years or so ago, and was kind of put on the back shelf for a period of time, and then we rekindled the fire about 3 years ago, and got public support behind it, and it just has turned out to be such an overwhelmingly successful concept. But it was initially programmed to be a youth development project so that the youth of Jones County could come in and have a place to meet or have a place for their activities. And it also provided new offices for the Jones County Fair. More recently, with the foundation, we applied for a grant to do some renovations down in our livestock campus, and we've got a wash rack that's going to be started, and so we're looking forward to getting going on that, and that again is something that will be wildly excited and accepted because it's something that we sorely need. It's just an opportunity to get them show ready and be able to make a better presentation to the judges and the families that are watching.